it wouldn't be a watch show without checking with Moser because a lot of innovation here. I enjoy it every year. But I have to tell you right away, I need 2 glasses of wine, and I drink them both myself because it's such a roller coaster ride of where these guys go. Every year there's something different. A lot of buzz in the show about what you guys are doing, so let's get into it. What do we have to start with?
So we'll start with the most complex watch we ever created.
And the most expensive.
One of the most expensive, yes.
Take a sip for that.
Yes. With so minute repeater that we had in our collection for the last 8
Say
years.
limited
20 pieces,
20 pieces.
Limited edition.
Rumor on the street is you have about 9 or 10 left, right?
Yeah, that's something like that.
Amazing how you know this.
There is a cylindrical tourbillon, which gives really this 3-dimensional. As you know, we are specialized in hairsprings, so it's really to show also our savoir-faire in terms of hairspring
You've done it
and fully
what, is that a
skeletonized.
38 case?
It's a 40.
Really?
40 in titanium.
Yeah.
No, the beauty is really this 3-dimensional look that gives with the skeleton around it, the movement.
You've done a great job.
Thank you. And yeah, it was also the difficulties to keep it compact. So yeah, it's easy to wear at a 40 millimeter. It's really the development from the first minute repeater we did 8 years ago to the evolution of here.
This was introduced last year?
No, that's a novelty of this year, but there was an evolution, like I said, from the first minute repeater. The big novelty this year is that it's skeletonized, and that there is a cylindrical tourbillon for the first time on the minute repeater.
Fantastic. So we start at the high end. Price point?
Yes. 400. It's 330,000 Swiss francs in USD. Sorry.
40.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Okay, but a beautiful piece, no question about it. But I like to go big. This is big. What's next?
Well, let's go.
A lot of buzz about this thing called the pump you have going.
That's what you want to see now. Then we'll show you the pump. So it's a very special watch. So as you know, the pump is an iconic shoe from the late 80s.
Very, very Moser-esque.
Of course, and the idea is really to recreate.
This is actually a new dial design, really.
So it's lacquered in a different way with this very monochromatic approach that is a bit like a sneaker and with the pump action. So like you have on your shoe, but to wind the watch, it wind by 1 hour every time you press. And really work. This one is this one is to show how you can press. It's not a movement working. It just turn. You see.
So can you wind it with the crown?
You can also wind it with a crown, but actually it's much.
Yeah. So this
better. It's a manual.
Are you the only guys to have this?
Yes. And again, and it's also a special material, forged quartz fiber, that gives you. It's light. You see the beauty of this moire that make it unique.
It comes in what colors?
So 2 colors, white and black, and it comes with. The shoe that come with it, that's a limited edition as well, you see, with the Moser at the back. So the special.
So this is a collaboration with authentic brands.
Yes, exactly. So the white come with the white, and then the black come with the black shoe.
So you get
a pair with your watch.
It's a great idea.
You see also even the Reebok with here you have the Moser logo on it.
It's innovation. It's very nice. What's the price point of this?
Here we are at $39,900 US.
$3,900, so just under $40,000.
Yeah, and limited to 250 pieces in black and 250 pieces in white.
I think that's quite nice. I think I like the black better, but I think
that's a good question.
I think women are going to like that white one.
I don't know. It depends a lot on the region. The hotter region you come from, they usually prefer the white. Yeah, it's what we realized in the last 2 days. And exactly. Or California, they all on the white. Sure, I thought Miami, you'll be on the white, but you have Chicago as well, probably.
Yes, I do. I mean, this is it's a great idea. You guys come up with stuff every year. It's terrific. Okay, what else do we have?
So something we launched a couple of weeks ago. It's a new material for the brand as well, with this ceramic. Our first watch in ceramic with a beautiful red enamel tile.
Who's
Tourbillon.
The band is ceramic too?
We make with we outsource. We don't have in our manufacturer a ceramic manufacturer yet. But it's beautiful. You see the dial hammered enamel confer red. That is very striking with the black.
The price on this?
We are at in USD. We are 89,000 Swiss francs, so 110.
105,000. This is new this year.
Yes, we launched it in February. First time we do ceramic.
Integrated bracelet.
Yeah, and you see the details with this polish That's really already the beauty of the bracelet. I find you can see it even more.
This is very Moser-esque as well.
Yes.
I mean, you killed your heritage. Here's something from last year.
Yes, I remember that. Very special piece.
I love this piece. You didn't want to sell it. Remember
No, it was with my brother actually. Yeah, with Edward. You negotiated.
Yeah,
and,
he didn't want to
at
buy
the end,
it.
he's
He wanted
like,
to sell it. I said, I like it. It was a prototype, but I like
because we didn't produce it. So you're the only one.
Yeah, that's good. Piece unique. But it really spoke to me. And you know, this is the kind of thing when you're collecting, nobody has a dial like that. Nobody. That's what I love about your stuff. I think with ceramic, very elegant.
Yeah, and you see the polishing on the bracelet and the details. It's all in the details of the ceramics.
80,000, that's not bad for this. What's the production industry
We produce 50, 60 a year.
of this?
So it's not limited, but
Yeah,
it's limited in what we
it's under
can.
100, yeah. This will probably go into a long production because it's going to be popular.
Yeah. Hopefully, yeah. So far, it's been extremely popular.
Yeah, I get it.
I imagine,
I think
hopefully
this
it will
works
stay.
for, it's both sporty, also elegant, also a dress watch, it's everything. Did a great job on that.
Something we haven't shown a lot of people, but looking at your watch, I decided to show it to you. It's something we produce in very limited quantity.
Wow.
This is a Streamliner Vantablack with ruby baguette on the bezel.
Rubies.
Something we haven't, so you even have a priority, something that we haven't launched.
Well,
We're
of
not
course.
even going to
Of course
launch.
I
We only
deserve
produce 10 a year or something like that.
Now this, what's beautiful about this is it's Moser dial for sure, but you've done a great job integrating the stones.
And you see how every baguette has a different size because of our
How complex
bezel.
can
That
that
makes
be?
not easy to find all the right rubies. That's why we only produce 10 a year or something like
looks
that.
and they're also diamond cut. They're sparkly, beautiful. That's really spectacular. And price on this?
We are around 150,000 USD.
I think what you've done here in these tiny, making everyone incremental in size is a total.
It's always because you need to find the right stone for each space of the
It's crazy.
of the watch. Now, two other watches that to show you. It's a more compact Streamliner, so two new size.
These are immensely popular right now.
You buy watches because they appreciate. WonderCare gives you all-risk worldwide coverage and up to 150% payout on total loss. No deductibles, no nonsense. And if you make a claim, it doesn't affect your home policy. Head to WonderCare.com and get quoted today.
The thing about the show is, you ask people as you run into them, every year they say, people come, what's hot? This is hot. These small Mosers out of nowhere, boom.
Yes, and we went again. It was important for us to have new movement. So it's two new movement actually, two new size of movement to be able to go in a 28 millimeter with this beautiful.
Design this for ladies?
It's unisex, but of course, on the idea is to sell more Streamliner to ladies.
Point on these?
27,000. Again, with 21,900, so around 27,000 USD. And so 34 with this frosted gray dial, and 28 for the Burgundy. Automatic, two different movement, two size. So we offer also the opportunity in the future to do more smaller size watches.
I think you're going to find that these are going to be perennially popular.
We see it. What is interesting, especially the 34, we see it's been like we have ladies very excited, we have men very excited. It's been huge success.
It's so comfortable on the wrist.
Yeah, it's thin. The bracelet is very delicate. If you look,
This is probably a very good area to get into. I mean, it's
and you look at how delicate the bracelets, and it goes with the Streamliner actually.
it's fantastic. That is a beautiful piece. Anyways, outside the halls, people are coming in to check this out. It's great. It's nice when that happens. All right, what else?
There is something that we always love, especially my brother Edward loved the Tantalum because it was his first watch many years ago. First luxury watch he was Tantalum, so he's always been attracted to this material. And here, it's a full Tantalum case and dial. So sunburst Tantalum, so natural color of the Tantalum on the dial. Very monochromatic.
Tantalum dial.
Perpetual calendar, Endeavor Perpetual calendar. Tantalum dial, sunburst Tantalum dial, and Tantalum case. So very unique look, very monochromatic, very minimalistic, very Moser.
It is very Moser.
It's a 50 pieces limited edition,
Price?
75,000 Swiss francs. So we should be at
99,000.
somewhere there.
And it's actually quite elegant.
It is, and it's a perpetual calendar. You cannot even see that it's a perpetual calendar. That's the beauty of this movement.
One of these is month and day.
So you see the little arrow here?
Yeah. Oh.
That's the months. 12 indexes, 12 months.
Yeah.
Here is seconds, and here is the power reserve. The black being the leap year, and then it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years after the leap year. So very minimalistic.
Yes.
You have the most important information on the dial, basically.
Spectacular. Very good lineup this year. You've really got a lot of new references. I'm very impressed because every year you started small, now you're big.
Yeah,
good.
it's with the
Show
first
me the
brand.
small pieces again.
Yes.
This is the big breakthrough here, I think. This is my number one hit with these guys, my grill. It's really nice. It's really nice. Automatic as well.
Yeah, that was important to develop.
Congratulations, a very good year for you.
Thank you very much, Kevin.
What's the vision for the brand next year? Same thing?
Continue to build, continue to surprise, continue to be creative. In 2 years, we have our 200 years anniversary, so that's a big milestone for us in 2028.
Bring special pieces for that?
Of course, we've been working on it for 3-4 years now. We're also building a new manufacturer that will be ready in 2028 as well. So continue the brand building, the brand awareness is important, and try to surprise the community. So
Well, you're
original.
doing a great job. But clearly, one of the great indexes of, you're not an indie anymore. You're kind of
We are fully independent,
Yes, but-
family owned.
But your volume has increased dramatically in the last 4 years.
We are at 4,000 watches.
Yeah. So my whole thing is when you break through 1,000. I remember when you were sub 1,000.
Yeah.
You get past 1,000, you're real. Because you have the nightmare of customer support, dealer support.
Yeah, but we have you have also we have all the subsidiaries. Now we have you reorganize everything differently.
Let's sustain a business that's growing past 1,000, which you were 4,000 now. That's a big deal. So you're a mid-sized independent watchmaker, bringing innovation.
Yeah. We always like to say we are 200 years old startup. So trying to still continue to think like a startup, to be innovative.
You were providing componentry to the watch industry.
Yes.
That's how you started springs.
Yes.
And now you're your own watchmaker, still providing springs.
Yes.
It's very interesting. Well, congratulations.
Well,
Can't go wrong with Moser because it says Moser, even though it doesn't say Moser. That's the whole thing. Their name's not on the dial, but everybody knows that's a Moser.
Need the confidence.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. I love it. Thank you again.
Thank you, Kevin.
Take care.
Take care.
Cheers, everybody, from Watches and Wonder. One more time with feeling with Moser. Again, bringing innovation and great white wall. Cheers.
Serious collectors don't settle for average insurance. WonderCare was built for you. It's a Chubb-backed, seamless digital platform. And for the biggest collections, we do Zoom onboarding or come to your home. Discretion guaranteed. Visit wondercare.com/VIP now.